everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, as you can see, my hair is in a protective style for the next couple of weeks actually. So what I ended up doing this week guys is because I had some of this hair left from the twist I did a few weeks ago. If you guys haven't seen that, go watch it on my channel. Very short 2 weeks protective style I did, and I liked it. It was fun, it was light. I wanted to finish using it, so I decided to do just braids with this. I used the same method. I soaked the roots before I put this in. This took about 5-6 hours at the most. Again, takes a little bit of time because you're doing it this long to braid. Now, if you guys notice, I didn't do a lot of braids. And because I'm going to be extremely busy for the next couple of weeks, I thought it'd be a great idea to, of course, protective style my hair. And just make sure I keep this moisturized and I don't have to worry about it as much if my hair was not in a protective style. So, of course, the first thing I did, guys, was I went and I treated my hair. I make sure my hair is super clean. I do a good henna treatment now. I make sure I have some good deep moisturizing going on before I actually protective style it. Now, if you guys seen, I use the same method I use with my small yarn braids that I did before this when I braided my hair. And that is, I go in, I actually braid my actual hair, and then I braid it with the hair so my hair wouldn't be out as much. In terms of how tight I make these, you guys know I don't do my root tight. You see, I leave it where I don't have to worry about it pulling at my roots. It's not tight, it's not uncomfortable, because I want to make sure it's not pulling at my edges as well, and that my hair is fine. I am going to be washing this as well. So if you've seen on my channel, I do have a video where I show you guys how I wash my hair when it's in a protective style. That's how I'm going to be washing this as well, to make sure my scalp stay clean. I want you guys to know this is pretty much the extent of the hair. That's how much hair I have on. It's not a lot. I didn't do a lot of braids. It's extremely light. Again, just like when I did the twist, I noticed how light this is as light as my yarn, so I really liked it. I don't have to worry about heavy hair. The only reason I did do it this long, if you guys know, it's right about down here, just over my chest area. And the only reason I did it this long is because it's not heavy. If it was heavier, I would have done it shorter. So just like when I do the yarn, I love how light this is, so I don't have to have any problem with it when I'm working out, or just when I'm at home or at work. I won't have to worry about it. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to moisturize this like I usually do. I am going to wash it every 2 weeks. I will be keeping this on, as I said, for the next month. After that, I'll take it out and treat it again. And that's pretty much it for the next couple of weeks for my hair, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a like. Go ahead, comment, and go over and watch my last video.